Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Driving Empire. Start by checking the in-game store, live events, and seasonal challenges for availability, then save credits and target required badges. Focus on daily missions to build reputation, trade duplicates for parts, and join clubs for shared rewards. Prioritize timed events and special crates that can drop rare supercars, and plan credit spending to avoid wasting resources. Begin by farming credits through daily races and time trials, aiming for the highest payout events available. Use earned credits to buy specific crates and event entries that list the Urus or parts, and keep an eye on flash sales. Upgrade your garage space and sell duplicate parts for extra credits, while tracking part drop rates to know when to push for better loot. Coordinate with club mates to share tips and gift parts when possible. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long grinding sessions with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle. I bring mine to every play session, and it saves time between races while keeping focus high. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Work on unlocking the specific Urus blueprint by completing milestone events and focusing on special token currencies. Prioritize blueprints in the shop that reduce part requirements and use tokens on targeted crates rather than random pulls to increase odds. Practice driving the Urus in test drive modes to learn handling before assembling, and invest in key upgrades that improve speed and stability. Stay patient, track progress, and adjust strategy based on event cycles to avoid wasted credits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.